Have you ever heard of the Library of Alexandria? It was once the greatest collection of knowledge in the ancient world. But its tragic destruction has left many mysteries about what was lost. Today, we're going on a journey back in time to uncover the secrets of this amazing place. The Library of Alexandria was built over 2,300 years ago in Egypt by Ptolemy I Soter, one of Alexander the Great's generals. The library was part of a larger research institution called the Museum of Alexandria, dedicated to the 9 Muses, the goddesses of the arts and sciences. Imagine a library so vast and full of wisdom that it held hundreds of thousands of scrolls. These scrolls contained everything from science and math to poetry, philosophy, and history. It was like having all the world's knowledge in one place. The library wasn't just a place to store books. It was a place for learning, discovery, and innovation. Scholars from all over the ancient world came here to study and share their knowledge. It was like the ancient version of the internet. The library was also home to a fantastic collection of artifacts, maps, and original works by some of the greatest minds of the time. It even had lecture halls, observatories, and botanical gardens. The scholars who worked here were at the forefront of their fields, making groundbreaking discoveries that shaped the future. Some of the most famous scholars of the ancient world studied at the Library of Alexandria. Let's meet a few of them. Meet Euclid, known as the father of geometry. Euclid wrote Elements, a series of books that became the foundation for geometry as we know it today. His work was so influential that it was used as a textbook for over 2,000 years. And here's Archimedes, the brilliant mathematician and inventor. Archimedes is famous for his principle about buoyancy. You know, the one where he shouted Eureka when he figured it out. He made incredible contributions to mathematics, engineering, and physics. Another great mind was Claudius Ptolemy, who worked on astronomy and geography. Ptolemy created detailed maps of the known world and wrote Almagest, a comprehensive guide to the stars and planets. His work helped astronomers for centuries to come. And let's not forget Hypatia, a brilliant female philosopher, mathematician, and astronomer. Hypatia was one of the last great scholars of the Library of Alexandria. She taught many students and wrote important works on mathematics and astronomy, inspiring future generations. But the story of the Library of Alexandria isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Unfortunately, it faced many threats over the years and was eventually destroyed. Historians believe that multiple fires, invasions, and political conflicts led to its downfall. One of the earliest incidents was during Julius Caesar's siege of Alexandria in 48 BCE. It's believed that a fire accidentally spread to the library, destroying many scrolls. But that wasn't the end. Several other events, including attacks by religious zealots and political upheavals, contributed to its ultimate destruction. The tragic destruction of the library means that countless scrolls and the knowledge within them were lost forever. It's a mystery that still haunts historians today. What exactly was lost? What discoveries, stories, and knowledge might we have had if the library had survived? There are many legends and mysteries surrounding the lost knowledge of the Library of Alexandria. Some say it held secrets of the universe, advanced technologies, and even maps of undiscovered lands. Imagine if we could uncover those secrets today. Who knows what amazing things we might learn? Some believe that the knowledge lost included works by famous playwrights like Sophocles and Aeschylus, treatises on medicine and science, and even unique maps that could have changed our understanding of the world. Historians and archaeologists still study clues and remains, hoping to find more about this incredible place and what it held. Every new discovery brings us a little closer to understanding the vast wealth of knowledge that was lost. Even though the Library of Alexandria is gone, its legacy lives on. Today, we have incredible libraries in the internet, making it easier than ever to access knowledge. But the story of the Library of Alexandria reminds us of the importance of preserving and sharing information. So, next time you're in a library or browsing the web, think about the ancient scholars and the incredible place that once held the greatest collection of knowledge in the world. The spirit of the Library of Alexandria lives on every time we seek to learn, discover, and share new knowledge. Thanks for joining us on this journey through history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing adventures. See you next time, explorers.